Hello friends, welcome to Kalpa Creations by Ruchita. Today we are going to season the cast iron pan. As you can see, this is my regular use cast iron pan and its seasoning has been came out as I make lots of fulkas on it. So today we will season it. First of all, let us see what does seasoning mean. Seasoning means we will apply some oil and make it non-stick. Now the first step to clean this tawa is we will wash it. For washing I am using little soap. It is okay if you don't use soap or use very less amount of soap. And here I am using the cast iron cleaner to clean my tawa. This cast iron cleaner is very mild on utensils, so it will not affect the tawa and it will not take out its seasoning. I am going to wash it thoroughly from front and back and its handle also, as I have used it from 3 to 4 years. Some After every 2 to 3 months I season it. If you are new to my channel, then please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified as soon as I upload my new video. If you like this video, then please share it with your family and friends. Whenever I wash it with warm water so that it gets dry very faster. Here I am seeing little bit more rust. It is not came out, so I will use different cleaner. And this is the steel wool I am using. This is worn out. You must be thinking why I am using this. I am using this because this is very mild on utensils. Now when it was new, it was very harsh, but now after using so much, it is very mild on utensils. So that was also the another option instead of that cast iron cleaner. After cleaning, I will just wipe it out totally. Whenever you keep cast iron after washing, you have to wipe it down totally. If you don't want to spend lot of time on wiping, or you are not sure that after wiping also there must be water parts, so you can do what you can do is you can put it on gas and let it dry for 1 to 2 minutes on hot gas. Now we will follow the second part, that is seasoning. Take little bit amount of coconut oil and apply it all over the tawa. I am using coconut oil, but you can use any unflavorful oil to season the tawa. Try to avoid sesame seeds oil or mustard oil, which have some flavors and taste of it. I am using coconut oil from the beginning, so I will apply it on handle and base. Keep this tawa on low to medium heat and let the fumes come. So whenever you are seasoning the tawa, make sure it is a very nice sunny day. You can open the windows because while seasoning it smoke may come out from the tawa. You can see the smoke, and because of it the color of tawa changed in between. So this is what seasoning is getting done. Because of this our tawa will be non-sticky. Now you can see I am making chapati on it. So whenever you are cooking food on tawa, make sure the temperature of tawa is warm or more than warm. Whenever if you cook on cold cast iron pan, then the food will for sure stick to your tawa. So try to avoid the cold tawa. Keep tawa on medium heat and then let it get warm. Prepare for making food, like if you are making chapati, keep atta, take rolling pin and all. Till that time the tawa will get hot. So you can see I am moving my chapati just like we do on non-stick tawa, and the flavor of cooking on cooked food on this tawa is very nice. I am not using any other tawa. I am using single cast iron tawa. This is the only one tawa I am using for dosa, uttapam, uh, chapati, paratha, everything. I am cooking everything on this. Whenever I feel the seasoning has came out, I have to season. I just make dosa on it. So because of oil and everything, it gets seasoned automatically. Now after cooking, I will show you again how I keep it. So there is little bit of flour. You can just wipe that flour out and keep it and store it. You can use kitchen towel to wipe the flour, but here I am using soap and wash it with cast iron cleaner. Normally today as I have seasoned it, so it was very clean, but many times my flour get burnt till the last chapati, so I always wash it. This is my habit of keeping my cast iron pan. You can see it looks like a non-stick. There are water droplets, so I will just wipe it down. You can use tissue paper or keep it on gas for 1 minute and let all the water get dry.